watching WKBT La Crosse. This is News 8 at
The following message was transmitted at the request of your local cable television provider. Your cable television provider has issued an anti-piracy warning for your cable box, effective until further notice. At exactly 3:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, on June 8, 2007, your local cable provider detected a modified receiver with unauthorized access to cable television services. These unauthorized signals were then detected at 4:05 Central Standard Time on the same day. This cable box was sending you television channels without paying the cable provider. Expect cops, fines, warrants, and more. Locations impacted include your home address. Take this hardware back immediately. Return the hardware to the place of purchase, and please purchase a legal cable subscription. Prices for a monthly subscription are usually around $10 per month. Again, your cable television provider has issued an anti-piracy warning for your cable box, effective until further notice. This is WKBT-TV, saying that piracy is a crime. Report and return the stolen hardware immediately.